about myself, my life, my personality, my family, and all those different random things. So, and I would love to know random facts about you as well. So, let me know 1 to 2 just random facts about yourself in the comment section after watching this video. So yeah, without wasting any further time, let's just dive into the video and get to know each other a little better. I am not a big fan of texting. I love voice messaging, and voice messaging is actually my favorite, and then comes calling, but I am so lazy when it comes to texting. So if I haven't replied to you anywhere, you can understand that I am just lazy and I am not ignoring you. A lot of you might actually know this about me, that I took science after my 10th standard. I wanted to become a doctor for like the major part of my life, and especially child specialist, because I love little children and babies a lot. So yeah, I wanted to do that before I changed my field entirely. I was so chubby and fat when I was little. Like, I used to have all those names, and even my friends back then used to make fun of me for being fat. Actually, I was really cute, I would say, but it's all in the eyes of the beholder. I loved going to school. I was like pure saal no chutti kind of person back then, and even if I was not feeling well or if we had to go somewhere, I used to be like so sad because I had to take a leave from school. I am not a big fan of technologies, and even if I have to learn something, it takes me a lot of time to learn anything related to technologies or phones, or just different things related to that. I have gone through 2 major road accidents in my life, and both of them have left me few scars. One is here around my arm, I hope you can see, and other one is on my chin. I had stitches there. So yeah, and that is the reason I prefer driving rather than being in the passenger seat, because I like to take responsibility of my life in my own hands. I'm not a big fan of Bollywood. Like, even if I have to watch a movie, I would have to pressurize myself for watching that movie, and it's been a few years that I feel that way. Before that, I was like okay with Bollywood, but now I prefer not watching Bollywood. I get same dreams so many times. Like, there's this dream that I get a lot of the times, and most of these are really horrifying and wakes me up immediately. I don't know why that happens, and if that happens with you as well, please tell me that I am not alone. I have cut my own hair. I love fringes few years back, and I just took a scissor and like did this right away, and there I had fringes. I don't like them very much now, but at that moment I loved them, and I was really excited to try them out. When I was little, I wanted to become so many things all at the same time. Like, I wanted to become a doctor, as I already told you, and then I wanted to become air hostess. Like, I used to search all those criteria for being an air hostess, and then I wanted to go to Navy as well, and then I wanted to have my own salon. So yeah, I was literally all over the place when I was little. I have no tattoos and no piercing other than these ear piercings, and I would really like to get a tattoo. I was actually planning to get one this year, but because of this pandemic I cannot now. So yeah, I'm eagerly waiting to get a tattoo. Although I am a Punjabi, I am a pure vegetarian. Like, I have been vegetarian my whole life, and when I tell people about this, some of them gets really shocked, because like they expect all Punjabis to be hardcore nor vegetarian. But I haven't eaten any kind of meat in my life, although I started having eggs like few days back only, because I was feeling a little protein deficient and all those things. Other than that, I am a vegetarian. I don't like chai. Yes, I am not a chai person. I love having coffee, and coffee is actually my favorite beverage, but I'm not a big fan of chai, and I don't like the taste of chai at all. I used to dress up all the time when I was little. Like, I used to take all my mom's dupatta and I used to put them in a sari, and I used to play all kind of ghar kind of games when I was little with that. I drink a lot of water, like seriously a lot of water. Even if I am like sitting and watching Netflix, I will always have a water bottle with me right next to me, and even if we are having family time, or even if I'm with my friends, I will always carry a water bottle. I am such a big water drinker kind of person. I'm a firm believer of law of attraction, power of manifestation, and all those universally things, and I love reading books about these things a lot. Another thing that I have discovered that I love a lot is doing karaoke. I used to do karaoke with my friends in my hostel days on Taylor Swift and One Direction songs, and that was so much fun. I used to be so serious about my studies. I used to think marks नहीं आएंगे तो बहुत बुरा हो जाएगा and all those different things, but yeah, I am such a big foodie. I cannot say no to food ever. I love to speak to people I don't know, like I love going to new places and meet new people and know their life stories and all those kind of things. I prefer watching movies alone and not with anyone. Like watching movies alone is like my kind of thing, and yeah, I just love everything about it. So yeah, with that we are going to end this video, and I really hope you had fun watching this as much as I did making it. And if you had fun watching, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also comment down 1 to 2 random facts about yourself in the comment section. I would love to read them, and we could get to know each other better. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.